Good morning, grade 2 parents. Thanks for taking time to fill out our survey. Thank you for all the effort and time you put into virtual learning. We know that it's not easy, and we know that you've been working hard, and we really appreciate your support.
Virtual school is new to all of us, and we really appreciate your feedback. We wanted to share some of this feedback with you.
First, we'll talk about what students shared. 75% of kids think that virtual school is just right. Most kids, 81.5%, reads the comments that we leave on Seesaw, and 87.7% say they watch the videos that we make.
So the students had many different things that they enjoyed about virtual school, like math and reading and PE and music and art. But one common theme was that many students enjoy their Zoom meetings, either for instruction or for a morning message or morning meeting to connect with their classmates.
Here's what parents shared. Just like in the classroom, there's a huge variety of how kids work independently. Most parents said they feel their children are learning during virtual school, and most parents said they felt their child was engaged in the activities.
From what parents shared, it sounds like the teaching videos are working well for most of the kids. It was very clear that the Zoom sessions are working well for most of the kids in grade 2. Also, it looks like about half the kids in grade 2 are spending 3 to 4 hours a day on virtual school. There is about a quarter of the students spending a little less time, 1 to 2 hours, and then some kids spending 5 or more a day.
All right, now we're going to share some of the things kids and parents said. We can't share everything, but we're going to just share some really common comments that we heard. We'll start off with kids. I enjoy Zoom meetings very much with everyone. I don't like so many Zoom calls. I want to go back to school like normal. Actually, virtual school is fine and fun for me, but I don't want it to be too long. I miss my teachers and friends. It's stressful not to have my teachers around. Thank you for teaching us.
And here are a few of the comments that parents typed in the survey. One thing that's going well with virtual school is the Zoom classes have been really great. Here's another comment. A challenge of virtual school is the multiple Zoom sessions in a day. It's too much screen time and it makes it difficult to get the classwork assigned completed to do. Another comment. The number of different activities each day. 3 topics seems just about right with additional Zoom meetings. And here's another comment. I don't feel there's any challenge for my child. I would appreciate more homework. You can probably see there's a wide variety of needs. Just like your children are very different, so are your families and your needs at home with virtual school.
In class, we work hard to cater to different learning styles and abilities through small groups and in-the-moment shifts in our instruction and prompting. When you're at home, it's much harder for us to do that. If virtual school is causing a lot of tears or unhappiness, please consider adjusting your routine.
We want you to think of virtual school as a buffet. Please take what works for you and your child on any given day. If you're having a rough day, have your child read on Epic and play Dreambox. For those of you spending more than 3 hours a day on virtual school, know that our school's recommendation is less than 3 hours for a second grader.
If you and your child are enjoying learning together, have fun and consider doing the extra activities we send out. Don't forget to look at the list of curated resources at the end of our blog post each day.
And if you and your child are struggling, please let us know and we can schedule a conference to see how we can support. We both have kids, we're trained teachers, and we know how challenging it can be to try and be a teacher to your own child.
Thanks again for taking the survey. We hope this information is helpful. Please feel free to reach out anytime with questions, comments, or concerns. Thanks again.
Bye.